Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the vMix error, attempted to read or write protected memory. Let's get started. If you're seeing this error, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to fix it quickly. Step 1. Change graphics settings. Open the search box in Windows and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Click to open it and wait for a few seconds for it to load. Expand 3D settings by clicking the plus icon. Select Manage 3D Settings. Go to the Program Settings tab. Find and select vMix from the program list. Under Select the preferred graphics processor for this program, choose Integrated Graphics instead of the dedicated GPU. Click Apply and restart vMix to see if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Update or roll back graphics drivers. If this issue persists, follow these steps. Open Device Manager by searching for it in the search box. Expand Display Adapters and find your graphics card. Right-click on your dedicated GPU and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click Update Driver and follow the instructions. If updating doesn't work, try clicking Rollback Driver to a previous version. Restart your PC and check if vMix is working. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed the issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.